We're going to put back together a Colt Defender from its briefly taken down state. With your spring, you want to make sure that your spring is on here. Some of them will fit tight. That's actually the right way for them to fit. After they break in, they may be loose. So we're going to go ahead and put this in through the front of there. Push it back in like so. Sometimes you run into a problem if you've got it on the wrong way. This one seems to be fairly straightforward. So now, if I take this, okay, we want to get our hole lined up. Okay, now that it's lined up, I don't know if you can see this here. So you put your pin back in and it's lined up. You want to slide that back to this notch, the one that it slides through. Otherwise you'll get that idiot mark here. So that took me a little longer than normal, but we get it up to that mark. We push it in, and the gun is ready to use. So the Colt Defender is actually really easy to break down too. So breakdown is basically simple. There's no wrench required for the front. There's no bushing on this barrel, as you can notice. Some guns will use this, like the Kimbers. You have to pull it back and put that up in there. But this Defender 9, we just pull it back to our spot where we can release. We push that out. That pulls out. We slide the frame forward. And here's our retention spring, and everything just pops right out just like that. You've got your bushing. You got this. You want to make sure that's flipped down. You pull your barrel out. Now we've completely field stripped. This will come out. We'll clean this really good, and we'll come back and show you when she's all done.